Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So today's video is going to be about how to replace the speedometer of your bike. I'm going to be replacing the speedometer on this bike. So without further ado, let's get started. So speedometer replace करने के लिए हमें इस पूरी फ्रंट असेंबली को बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. इस असेंबली को खोलने के लिए 4 6 mm एलन के बोल्ट्स को निकालना पड़ेगा. As you can see, 1 and 2 bolts are over here. And the rest of the 2 bolts are over here. That's 3 and that's 4. So before you remove the assembly, make sure आप mud guard के ऊपर एक soft cloth रख दें so you won't scratch the assembly while removing it. So now let's remove these bolts. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. And last bolt को निकालने से पहले आप front assembly को पकड़ लें अच्छे से and then take out the 4th bolt. Then just hold it and pull it outside. Then just disconnect the connectors. That's 1, that's 2, and then there are last 2 connectors which are hidden. Remove the cover, and that's the last one. Now just take it out and then just put it on some flat soft surface. In order to remove the speedometer console, we have to remove the windshield. So windshield is held by these 2 3 mm bolts. So let me just remove them. So bolts को खोलने के बाद इसे यहाँ से pull out करें. Put it somewhere safe. और अभी अपने को ये 2 10 mm के bolts खोलने हैं. That's one, that's the other. And then we have to remove this screw. और इसको खोलने के बाद हमें इन दोनों स्क्रूज को भी खोलना है. That's one and that's the other. And then इसको खोलने के बाद just slide it out and it will come right off. So speedometer console को खोलने के लिए 4 10 mm के bolts खोलने पड़ेंगे. 2 आगे and 2 पीछे. एक यहाँ पे and एक यहाँ पे. Remove them. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3 and that's the last one. And now we can take apart our meter holder from our headlight assembly. So मीटर को होल्डर से अलग करने के लिए हमें 1 2 and 3 8 mm के nuts को खोलना है. That's 1, 2 and its washer and the last one and its washer. So now just take it apart. Now we have to take out the meter cover. For that we need to remove 1 2 3 and 4 Allen bolts. 1 2 3 and 4. So out with the old and in with the new. मैं 2K17 NS200 का मीटर यूज कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज वायरिंग सेम है 2K15 और 2K17 दोनों मीटर्स की. सो इट्स बेटर टू यूज द न्यूअर वर्जन देन द ओल्डर वन. सो लेट्स पुट इट बैक ऑन द बाइक. सो इंस्टॉलेशन इज अपोजिट ऑफ रिमूवल. वी हैव टू पुट द मीटर होल्डर बैक, टाइट द नट्स विद वॉशर्स, then just install it on the headlight unit, tight the bolts, then put the meter cover, tight the bolts. I'm also replacing the lower mounting bracket, so it is held by 2 10 mm bolts. You just need to remove them, just pull it outwards, install the damper from the old bracket, put it the same way the old one was, tight the bolts, and that's all. So now let's put back the front mask, tight the screws, then just put the windshield back and tied its 2 bolts. And now let's just connect the wires of the indicators. That's the other and the headlight wire as well. And now let's just put it back on the bike. Now just connect the connectors, put the cover back on them, and then just connect the speedo sensor and put the complete assembly back on the bike. Hold it and insert the bolts and then just tight them. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3 and that's 4. So after installing it, let's check if it works. And it's look awesome. I mean पहले वाले मीटर में orange ambient light थी and in this meter if you can see it's blue. So पहले वाले के comparison में it looks way better. And जो हमारी मीटर में problem थी वो भी sorted out हो गई. So it's kind of a modification as well as a repair. So alright guys, that's about the video. That's how you replace your speedometer on your motorcycle. If somehow this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any type of suggestions, then let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe the channel and share the video guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.